In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage teams in Asana 2025 step by step. By the end, you'll know how to set up a team, add the right people with the right access, organize projects, and keep everyone aligned using the latest 25 updates. Start by opening Asana. In the left sidebar, scroll down and select Create Team. Give your team a clear, descriptive name, add a short description if it helps, and choose your privacy setting. Public to organization if you want anyone in your workspace to find and join, or private if only invited members should see it. Click Create Team to confirm. A quick tip, name teams by function so it's easy to scan, like marketing, client support, or content production. Next, add members. Open the team sidebar and click Add Members. Type the person's name or email, then choose a role. Use member for full collaboration inside the team. Choose guests for external users, such as clients or freelancers who need limited access. Click Invite to send it. Let's fine-tune permissions. At the team level, remember, public teams are discoverable across your organization, while private teams are invitation only. Inside each project, click Share and set roles to match the work. Editor for people who create and update tasks, commenter for stakeholders who give feedback, and viewer for read-only access. A helpful guideline is editors for core contributors and commenters for executives or reviewers. Now create projects within your team. Open the team, click New Project, choose a template and layout like list or board, name your project and add collaborators. Keep naming consistent, such as client name, onboarding or marketing, weekly tasks, so everyone recognizes what's inside at a glance. Organize projects with sections like To Do, In Progress, Review, and Done. Add custom fields for priority, status, department, or complexity to track what matters. Then use rules and automations to keep work moving. For example, moving a task to review when it's marked complete, assigning based on project section, or auto-tagging when a due date is added. Make use of Team Home, the 2025 UI hub for your team. You'll see pinned projects, team messages, goals, and a workload overview. To pin a project, open the team, hover over the project, and click Pin so it's always front and center. Set measurable team goals by going to Goals in the left sidebar, selecting Create Goal, choosing a team goal, and defining either a KPI or a qualitative target. Connect the goal to relevant projects. Examples include publish 8 YouTube tutorials this month or complete 95% of client onboarding tasks on time. For announcements, open the team, go to Messages, click Send Message, and include text, images, and tags. This can replace casual updates in other apps for smaller teams. Finally, manage team settings by opening the team, clicking the More button, and choosing Edit Team Settings. Here you can change the name, adjust privacy, manage members, or delete or archive the team. When a team is no longer active, go to Team Settings, scroll down, and select Archive Team to remove it from the sidebar while keeping data accessible.